The new law. Hindu law. Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005. In ancient times, only sons got a share in their father's property. Ladies are viewed as individuals who work in the fields, but not as individuals who own the rural agricultural land. In some states of India, Hindu women did not get any share in the family's farming area. After the death of the father, his property was distributed equally just among his sons. After the Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005, daughters are entitled to an equal share in their father's property as sons. This law applies to all states and union territories of India. This law will profit a large number of women. For example, Sudha is the oldest girl in a family of a farmer who owns an agricultural land. She is married and lives in a neighboring town. After her father's death, Sudha regularly comes to help her mother with the cultivating work. Her mother has requested the Patwari to transfer the land and enter Sudha's name with the names of all the other children in his record. Sudha's mother happily works in the farming with the help of the younger brother and sister. Similarly, Sudha also lives with the assurance that if she ever has a problem, she can always depend upon her share of the land.